Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's have a serious conversation. So, the way these prices looking, it's about to be a lot of DIY lots people running around here because y'all, but it's possible, it's doable. I've been there. I'm there. I've done it. Starting the locks yourself, it's not that hard. It's not that bad. I just got a few tips, so stay tuned. I'm gonna insert my intro right here, bloop, and get on with the video.
Good morning. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Okay, first things first, I hope y'all day going good. I really do. So, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and tap the notification bell so you can know when I start uploading videos and stuff, because I want y'all here. I be having fun with y'all, so yeah. Let's get along with these tips. Let me grab my notes. Now, I'm gonna open up my Maverick Book of Marvelous Things and start with this advice. So, the first thing I would tell you to do when it comes to starting to lock yourself is to have patience, because it's gonna take some time, because you gotta part, detangle, and just do all that stuff. But don't get overwhelmed, because what I would suggest is washing your hair a day ahead of time and separating it out at least into like 4 parts or something like that, and detangling and doing all that the day before you actually start your locks. It makes it a whole lot easier. Do your own research on how to maintain your locks and figure out what's best for your hair. So if you're maintaining your loose natural hair, it is a little bit similar when having locks, except to me with locks it's a little bit more simple. I don't know if y'all hear the echo in here. Sorry about that, but it's actually kind of fun. Woo. Anyways, yeah, about the maintenance, it's a little bit easier with locks, but do your own research and try to figure out what is best for your time and your schedule and your locks and your hair, because my maintenance might not be the same as your maintenance, so you can't just completely rely on someone else's maintenance routine, because hey, it might be a little bit more different for you. You might not have to moisturize as much as I do. You might not have to separate your locks as much as I had to do in the beginning. So research your own maintenance and try to figure that out a little bit, at least a little bit, before you actually start your locks. Research how you want to start your locks, because how you start your locks is gonna roll over into your maintenance routine and how long it can take to even start your locks. So for me, I chose to change twists because I feel like that's something I can do myself, because I don't know how to do coils, and I knew if they unravel, I can just twist them back, because hey, that's easy, it's quick, you know. But for someone else, coils might be easier for them, and they might like starting their locks off with coils better. But for me, it's the two-strand twist method. It was just easier for me, and I chose the easy route, because who want to be doing all the extra stuff? Not I. All right, so this next one, deciding on your lock size. Listen, I started my locks off kind of small. If you go back and look at my old videos, you can see that. But they got like this and did what they wanted to do. So, because I wanted my locks to be small to medium, something like that. I didn't originally want thick locks, but thick locks chose me. I didn't choose thick locks. So, do your research, because if I would have like researched more, I would have realized that hey, my locks not gonna be small because of how my hair was as a loose natural. So, decide on your lock size and determine, hey, am I gonna get to this size? Is this the size that's for me? You know, because that has a lot to do with your party size as well. I know some of these things may seem like a lot, especially when it comes to like researching lock size and part size and all that jazz. But honestly, y'all, don't overthink it. Just have fun. However, doing your research is still important to understanding your lock journey and starting it on a good path. Just want to start with the right products, y'all. Don't be starting your locks off with no waxy products. Don't do that, because it causes buildup. And it's another thing. People be thinking, well, some people, not so much now, but back in the days, they used to think when you start off your locks, you're supposed to wash your hair. No, don't do that. And then using wax products, when you get ready to wash your hair, baby, listen, it's gonna be a hot mess, and it's gonna be hard to get that stuff out. And do you really want to do that? You get locks because you want an easier hair process. You want an easier relationship with your hair. So don't be starting your locks off with nothing that you don't want to stay in your locks. Kind of keep that in your mind, because You can start out with water and oil if you want to. Some people do that. I didn't do that. What did I use? I think I used Belle Nouveau products to start mine off. That stuff was so moisturizing. Like I loved it. But no waxy things to start off the locks or to retwist them or any of those things because that stuff is gonna stick with your locks. It's gonna stay there, and you don't want that in your locks because build up, hard wash day. Who wants to deal with that? Not I. Release your expectations and just relax. Let your locks become their own and do what they want to do because you put it in your head how you want your locks. That's all fine and dandy, but don't just totally hold on to that. Think of the lock journey as freeing yourself from a lot of things that have been, I guess, beaten to you or that you see in media. The lock journey is the time to add a little bit of freeness to your life. So that's one less thing to stress about. Release those thoughts of, oh, I want my locks to look like, oh, girl from the Cosby Show. Can't think of her name right now. But your hair, Lisa Monet, Bowman, you know who I'm talking about. Because, baby, listen, I'm going to be honest, y'all. Locks do what they want to do. It's just like they have a mind of their own. It's only so much control you can have over them. But the more you release the how you want it and whether, why, and respecting your locks for what they are, I promise you, you're gonna love and enjoy your lock journey so much more once you release that. Because locks, I put it like these, they pretty much change for the better. They change for how they want. They change for the better. If you treat them right, they'll treat you right. Honestly, they will. Because things about locks is, it's connected to you, but it's connected to you in a sense as a form of, I'm protecting you. Or I'm forming you to be better. I'm freeing you from some things. Lock journey is supposed to be exciting. It's supposed to be happy. Don't stress yourself out. So just release some things. So those are all the tips that I have for starting the locks off for yourself. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Or if you have any more tips yourself, drop them down below. If you're a DIY girly like me, subscribe, and I'll subscribe back to your channel if you got a lock channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. I have two pages. If you want to see a lot of updates on the locks, follow me on Maverick Locks. I'll hit my 2-year mark soon. So excited. But thanks for stopping by, y'all. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you know every time me, your girl, the Girl Maverick, uploads a new video. Bye-bye, and see you later.